Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Junikas Vidyalaya. We are learning the first chapter. Now the next topic is congruence of segments. Very easy. Congruence of segments. When the segments are congruent, when if given line segments are equal in length, if the segments given are equal in the length, then they are congruent. Now look here. Here are three segments are given: segment XY, segment AB, and segment PQ. Which two segments are equal in length? We can observe or we can verify with the compass. Look, segment XY and with segment AB. AB is greater than segment XY. Now here segment XY and segment PQ are equal in length. Therefore, segment XY and segment length of segment XY is equal to length of segment PQ. Therefore, segment XY congruent to segment PQ. This is the sign of congruent. Okay. This is the wave is equal to, and above this is equal sign, there is a wave, and this sign is for the congruent. When lengths are equal, then the segments are congruent. Okay. We can draw many segments and with the compass or ruler verify if they are equal lengths, have equal lengths or not. If they have equal length, then they are congruent. Okay. In this homework for you, practice set. Practice set 6, question number 1 and question number 2 is the homework for you. Here are many segments are given and which of them are congruent and which of them are not congruent. We have to write only congruent segments. In this question, you have to use the compass and take the distance of the equal length, and then if the segments have equal length, then those segments are congruent. So solve in your copies practice set 6, question number 1 and 2. Okay. Now second topic, congruence of circle. Congruence of circle, it means which circles are congruent. If circles of equal radius, you have learned the 6th standard radius. Okay. Radius, if the circles have equal radii, then those circles are congruent. Now here we have drawn 3 circles. First circle has the radius 3 cm, second has the radius 2 cm, third has the radius 3 cm. If we observe the figures, then we can say that first circle is congruent to third circle. First circle is not congruent to second. First circle is congruent with the third circle because radii are equal. Its radius is 3 cm, its radius is 3 cm. If we put the circles on each other, they exactly fit. And therefore these two circles are congruent. In the segments also, if we put the segment XY on the segment PQ, they exactly fit because lengths are equal and therefore these segments are congruent. Here this circle, first circle and the third circle are congruent. Okay. Now we can use it right here in the above figure. first circle is congruent to third circle. Okay, this figure, first circle is congruent to third circle. Now, second topic, next topic, congruence of angles. How to say the congruent angles? Two angles with equal measures are congruent to each other. If the angles with the same measure, with the equal measure, then two angles are congruent. Here also we have seen in the segments, if the lengths of segments are equal, the segments are congruent. Here circle, if the radius of circle are equal, then circles are congruent. And in the congruence of angles, if the two angles having same measure, then those two angles are congruent. Now, I have drawn here the angle ABC is 120 degree. Is it congruent with the angle XYZ? Is it congruent with the angle XYZ? No, because measure of angle ABC is 120 degree and measure of angle XYZ is 90 degree. Measures are not equal. If we put this angle ABC on the angle XYZ, they cannot fit exactly on each other, and therefore these two angles are not congruent. Okay. Now, then on which angle, if we put angle ABC, then they fit on each other. Look here angle LMN, because measure of angle LMN is also 120 degree, and therefore if we put this angle ABC on the angle LMN, then we observe that these both angles fit exactly on each other, and therefore we can say that angle ABC congruent to angle LMN. Okay, why? Because both angles have equal measures. Now, angle XYZ is 90 degree. Again, is there 90 degree angle? Yes, angle STD. If we put these two angles on each other, then they can fit exactly on each other, and therefore angle XYZ congruent to angle STD. Why? Because both angles are right angles, equal measures. Now, angle DEF, on which angle can we put this angle to fit exactly? Angle DEF, angle UID. Yes. If we put this angle DEF on the angle UID, then they fit exactly on each other because both angles have equal measure. This angles measures 75 degree. Angle UID measures 75 degree, and therefore angle DEF congruent to angle UID. Okay, are you getting? First, congruence of segments which have equal lengths are congruent segments. Circles, congruence of circles which have equal radii in length, then circles are congruent. If the angles having equal measures, same measure, then the angles are congruent. Okay, you have to solve here two practice set here. Practice set 6, question number 1 and 2, and on the basis of congruence of angles, you have to solve practice set 7. Okay. Now, this first chapter we have completed here. we will start new chapter, second number chapter on the next video. Okay, thank you.